our way to Hong Kong. So we arrived in Hong Kong earlier today, and we finally stopped off for a rest to get something to eat, and Sean's gonna make an attempt to start cooking our food.
And then they give you chicken, just hacked up to cook. So we're gonna put some in now. Now we had no idea what we were ordering. We have no idea how to cook it. Hopefully we're doing it right. As you can see,
Good.
not bad.
Hey, Jared, eat the head. You're gonna eat the head with the eyeball.
I'm gonna attempt to eat the head. If I can find it. Right there. Lid. Oh, here we go. See that? Got it? One thing that goes really good with chicken head is soy sauce. Soy sauce. On them? I can't eat this.
What?
I can't eat it.
What are you doing, man? You said you would.
It's brains and everything. Okay. Are you supposed to eat the head? Don't eat me! No. Yeah, I'll take it. Okay, I'm gonna try it. What's that? No, I'm trying like. Dude, there's honestly nothing to eat but the brain. I'm not eating no brain. Cut.